God. They don't want you to talk about God. Catch this. We find out that Genesis lays out the foundation for everything. That is to follow included the true God. And understand that in Genesis it comes to straighten our life through all the prayers of Genesis, through expression and awesomeness of power, God in his creation. Look at your neighbor, say God. Look at somebody, say God. Understand that when God, he didn't sit around, mother, but God began to create stuff. And anything looked void, God began to speak to it. And I found that him, oh God, with his awesome self. In the Hebrew word, God means Elohim. That means ain't nothing lower than God, ain't nothing higher than God, ain't nothing in between God. I'm just Elohim. Say never, say neighbor, I'm just Elohim. I'm not lower, he's not lower than me. It's nothing higher than me. It's nothing in the middle. I'm Elohim. Look at your neighbor, say that's God. He's Elohim. When you need him, say Elohim. Say never, say he's Elion. And then he's Shaddai. And then he is Yahweh. And if you want a Greek word, his name is Tados. Say never, say Tados. When you want to be deep, I search Tados. That means God by himself. Say never, for them scholars say, yeah, Tados been good to me. Look at your neighbor, say Tados been good to me. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor. And that's why out of winter they say let's do a toast. But all they say is Tados. Say never, say neighbor, that means it's all right with me. And God is a spirit. Look at your neighbor, say he's a spirit. And it is infinite. Don't mean to drop is again in my spirit. Let's just stay in the spirit. God is a spirit, is infinite. God is a spirit, that means he's eternal. God is a spirit, that means he's unchangeable. God is a spirit, that means in his wisdom. I don't know about you, but God is a spirit, that means power. God is a spirit, that means holiness. God is a spirit, that means justice. Say never, get in the spirit to get power. Get in the spirit to be unchangeable. Get in the spirit that you will go to eternity. Because in the flesh you mess up some stuff. Say never, you ain't got no power in the flesh. Because if you had power over folks in the flesh, you'd be down on skin away, talking about sister palm reader. But you need power in the spirit realm that I call things to be as if they were. Look at your neighbor, say get you some power in God. Look at your neighbor, say God. He's also God. He's Alpha and Omega. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor, he's the beginning and the ending. And if I found that, I say, why God you owe? Why you Alpha? He said, I want you to know that I am omnipotent. I say, God, you're omnipotent. He said, yes. That describes my ability to do whatever I want to do. He is omnipotent. He'll put the clouds in the place. He's omnipotent that hangs the stars in the place. And he's omnipotent that turn around and put the curtain in the cloud. I feel fire in the fire and put a moon in the inside. He just rolled up the moon and slap it in space. My Father is omnipotent. All he did is grab stuff and put him in place. Say never, he's omnipotent. He has the ability to put a star in the right place. He found the oceans of how much highway to come far. Who told the moon? When it high at midnight. Say never, he is omnipotent. Look at the neighbor, say ability to do anything. Say never, grab you on the ribs of God. Grab on the river down and make a woman. Man, say never, I'm omnipotent because he's in me. Say never, omnipotent made me. That's why I got a woman in the inside. That's why I'm a woman. Why? Because it was omnipotent that reached down in a man's rib. You got her ribs and slumbered and made a woman out of it. Say never, say omnipotent. Say never, say neighbor, this might be too deep. This might have been for a ladder. Come on. And then he is omnipresent. Look at your neighbor, say omnipresent. See, the devil ain't omnipresent. The devil not even the spirit, he's the flesh. The devil is not everywhere. He's messing with folks, but he's not everywhere. But God is omnipresent. That means God is everywhere one time. The devil ain't everywhere one time. He messes with people, but he ain't everywhere. the